Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm in the video about the iPhone 13 Pro Max for Metro by T-Mobile. So the iPhone 13 Pro Max is now here. It's available now. So there's the phone there. You guys got your 3 cameras on the back there. Quick specs, of course, 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display, Pro system with telephoto, super fast 5G. Alright, so this is a 128GB iPhone 13 Pro Max, so they keep it in mind. For retail price $1099.99. If you guys want to get this iPhone 13 Pro Max for cheaper, switch to Metro and trade in the eligible device to get $200 off the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So that's pretty cool though. So it says here, iPhone 13 Pro Max, the biggest Pro camera system upgrade ever. Super Retina XDR display with promotion for a faster, more responsive feel. Lightning fast A15 bionic chip. Super fast 5G, durable design, and the best battery life ever in an iPhone. Alright. Specs in here, of course, don't disappoint. 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with promotion for a faster, more responsive feel. Cinematic mode adds shallow depth of field and shifts focus automatically in your videos. Pro camera system with the new 12-megapixel telephoto, wide and ultra wide cameras, LiDAR scanner, 6x optical zoom range, macro photography, photographic styles, ProRes video, Smart HDR4, night mode, Apple Pro RAW, 4K Dolby Vision, HDR recording, 12-megapixel true depth front camera with night mode, and 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording as well. And of course, A15 bionic chip for lightning fast performance. And you guys got 4 colors to choose from. You guys got graphite, silver, blue, and gold. Like I said, if you guys want to get the iPhone 13 Pro Max for cheaper, switch to Metro and trade in the eligible device. Alright, so this is in stores only, of course. They need to fix that. It needs to say $200 off iPhone 13 Pro Max, not $300. So yeah, and also of course keep in mind it's available in stores only, plus sales tax and activation fees. So yeah, so it says here, so Pro, smooth, responsive Super Retina XDR display with promotion, huge camera system upgrade for dramatic new possibilities, exceptional durability to ultra fast A15 bionic chip, and breakthrough battery life. Let's Pro. Beautifully durable by design, a design as jaw-dropping as it is durable, with surgical grade stainless steel, ceramic sealed, and industry leading IP68 water resistance. Surgical grade stainless steel, durable design with ceramic shield, big camera upgrade, bigger further possibilities, a massive hardware upgrade meets super intelligent software to bring macro photography to ultra wide, 3x optical zoom to telephoto, and night mode to all cameras. Captures up to 2.2 times more light for better photos and videos. Macro photography makes the smallest details seem epic. Cinematic mode shifts the focus up to drama. Shoot with shadow, depth of field, and automatically add elegant focus transitions between subjects for far more creative storytelling. It says the 1TB iPhone there, but that is an option. but not at Metro by T-Mobile. They only had the 128 gigabyte version. So DQ by the mono, right? Says a hello ProMotion. Meet the Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion with an adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz and exceptional graphics performance. You've never felt anything like it. Pure Pro power. Experience fast you can only get on Pro. It's shipped with the performance to work through Pro task and a huge leap in battery life to last all day. All new 5-core GPU boosted speed to run the advanced display with ProMotion, up to 28 hours of video playback, super fast neutral engine, power cinematic mode, smart HDR4, and more. No one does 5G like iPhone. Everything happens so much faster on 5G. It's fast enough for multiplayer gaming and more. And smart data mode automatically saves battery power when you don't need all that speed. Why choose iPhone? There's no phone like the iPhone. And I will tell you guys why. Smart performance, Apple design chip for speed, power efficiency, and intelligence, and everything you do, private, protects your privacy. Every aspect is designed to keep your information private and secure. Durable and retains value, and that is very true, guys. iPhone is built to last and hold its value longer than other smartphones. Sustainability. iPhone is designed with the environment in mind, using recycled materials, so that is very nice. Y'all guys can also compare the different iPhone models here if you guys want to see which iPhone is right for you. So, yeah. If you guys want the ProMotion feature, get the iPhone 13 Pro or iPhone 13 Pro Max. So yeah. So let's go down here to the spec sheet. 128 gigabytes of storage, 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion, 12 megapixel, true depth front camera with night mode, 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording. There is no external memory because this is iPhone, mobile hotspot capable of course. 12.5 hours of talk time, iOS 15 pre-installed. So you guys will get like 5 years of OS updates, which is pretty fucking insane. A15 Bionic chip. The iPhone 13 Pro Max weighs 8.46 ounces. And there is the accessories for the iPhone 13 Pro Max right there on Metro's website. Which, if you guys want to get accessories for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, go to Amazon and get your accessories. That's alright. So, yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now for $1099.99. That is for retail price. They got it $99.99 when you switch. But if you guys want to get it $200 off, switch to Metro and trade in an eligible device to get it $200 off. Alright. So that would bring it down to what, $900 I think. So not bad. So yeah, there you guys have it. iPhone 13 Pro Max now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.